Nani olai kadeji chetam. Oh, so kadeji na Nani olai kadeji chetam. Nani olai kadeji chetam. Oh, so kadeji Nani olai kadeji Daddy Joe! Daddy shake your shit. Open that please. No, hey. I didn't like nonsense. I didn't like nonsense. Who's got nonsense been done? I'm just remember not talking about up and down. If you want to, what? Who be they jack me up and down? And I jack go young round and knee gaga no. And he has all pocket have a can jack. On young round will cook. And they came ball like get them will take it to Napa. Napa, I'll take it to him too. What can I got you in a time of that when those on Saga Gilita? If anybody, if anybody again, if I enter here, if anybody jack me, push me up and down, my head just hit everywhere. Why the never jack him? When you there for what? Your head no jack. Head go on no tunga. I don't like nonsense. I don't like nonsense. If I enter here again, take me straight to my grave. Not they shut me up and down. You are hitting my head on the wall. I don't like it. Oh, we don't hear. Fatima, enter. As if they take you to your grave, as if you are going there to rest in peace. Enter, go there and keep on walking around. Panya here. Nobody, don't move me up and down, though. Don't they move me? Or they move from up and down. Nani olai. Let me they talk that one for. Nani olai. Kageji cheta. Oh, to kagesi wera. Nani olai kageji cheta. Nani bring him down. Yeah. Mr. Man, what is your problem? I hear something, Abi. I didn't hear your voice. When you sing. They tell us shake out. You didn't hear something. Somebody die. You're not gonna let me die in peace. Why do they shake my head up and down? I warned you before. It does nothing. Okay, why they not gonna shake you? When you're there for what? When you there, they shake young girls. They shake everyone. They shake the whole world. You go thief here. You go do that one. Everywhere they shake for you. As you die, we're not gonna shake you. Your last shake, a shake bagagini mili. We want to shake you into your grave. When you push your hammer on, so if anybody's, if you shut, now your voice, I hear in particular. Now you die. I hear your voice. When you shake, let nobody shake me. Your papa and my member in my church. I'm supposed to take care of your couple. Take care of your couple. I don't make all of my face. If they bury me finish, if I don't want them. No, you want them yourself. Want them. We know they carry again. You say? Yeah. You know they do it. I know they carry again. I get league in a mirror. We go carry you for this. Carry me go house and they wait for me there.
Oga. See, if you no want rest in peace, we go flog you like they use flog others. We go flog you well now.
You know that one.
That is you. Give us your authority. Make we flog this man well. You go lie down here now. No.
I not get authority over the dead. Let the dead bury the dead. Yeah, you no authority to flog him. Make una flog him. You mustn't wait for my authority. I don't want nonsense again, no. I'm gonna give you blow. You say? I'm gonna give you blow.
Let me rest in peace. He died.
Hey, What is your problem? Huh? What is your problem? Why you don't give me too much wahala? This young boy, you don't give me wahala too much. Open and let him come out. What is your problem? Huh? We go run for you. Why did they do like this? You be thunder. You be a well. What will be your problem? The blessed already hear something. The blessed already come. Who be throw me up and down? My eye is telling me now. My eye they told me. Gio, I need more than milk. I don't know. You get the one I take throw me. I had the bomb go there. My eye is telling me run. I don't even know what is wrong. Can somebody give me more and milk? Hey, hello.
Daddy Gio, if you check and waiting this man they talk na true. If you give him,
you are a fool. You wear that life. You never see more today. You never even see pure water. You want make you bring more and milk. Give person where you own don't work. I finish. You know, say all these things where would they do if person die? And now we go do this, we go buy rice, we go buy chicken, we do this, all those ceremonies, they are all in vain. Because anybody where don't die.
Why are you heartless?
Why won't I be heartless?
Why are you heartless?
When you were alive, were you
why are you heartless? You dey here now, your boys, you order them to turn me around. If now you die, then turn you around like this, your eye don't go pain you, your eye don't go turn you.
As they not turn you around when you there alive. Nobody, there was no time for people to jubilate with you. No time for people to celebrate you. The time when you do your birthday, nobody come. The time when you open house, your friends did party the house come and go. Now when you die, as I am be the last throw around where they go throw you. Give us weekend. Give no gal any cash.
Give me more.
No more time.
Give me more.
You
know what? Wanna give me the address of my grave. Give me the address of the grave and then enter here again.
Problem.
Give me the address of the grave and then enter here again. Give me the address, make I go myself.
Since you say you want to take your leg, go where they bury you. Go to number 4 Onyageli. Number 4 Onyageli Street. By the side, they got home get your grave. Go there.
Number what?
Number 4 Onyageli.
Mona follow me.
Onye follow you. No, go bury yourself and no go again.
Mona follow me. Now let's.
Bury yourself to yourself by yourself. When you are alive, you nobody eat your shit. Look at that this change. When you are alive, we not drink water. You not give anybody money. You not support anybody. Now when you die, you still want to go bury yourself.
You go die, you go be your turn. You go be your turn.
I be like you.
You go be your turn. You go be your turn. When I come carry me go my grave. Come and lead me to my grave. Oh yeah, come. I don't change my mind. Mona come. Mona come. I don't change my mind. Mona come. Mona come.
Which kind of greedy cup will be this one? Give the cup, look, you mom's with Tiga Gunime. They are ungrateful ghost.
You said number 18.
Number 4 Nyageli.
Number 4 Nyageli.
Oh, yes.
Mona, they come.
Hey! Which kind of wahala be this?
Daddy Gio, you don't come.
Go enter. As you don't come, enter and we will not be also go enter now. How do you go? Now we dey carry. Now how go there enter? Onye nwura nwa agawala nga ageli. So banyezie na agali. Ambru here the one to win. Ambra. Now let me get out of here.